10 things you probably didn't know about black holes. Let's start. Fact number 10. Neutron stars and black holes are not the same. This is a common misconception. Both neutron stars and black holes are the results of violent star deaths. When stars die, depending on their size, they lose mass and become more dense until they collapse in a supernova explosion. At this point, it can either become an endless black hole that devours anything around it, or a neutron star, which is a dense remnant of a star too small to turn into a black hole. Fact number 9. Sagittarius A star is very small. Are you shocked? Sagittarius A star is only 4 million solar masses. The reason I am using the word only is because it is actually very less if we talk about supermassive black holes. At the other end of the scale, there is a true monster. The black hole at the center of the quasar, TON 618. It possesses 66 billion solar masses. Yes, you heard it right. And it is the most massive yet discovered. Fact number 8. What do you notice here? It's a black hole. But you are not actually looking at the black hole or the event horizon either. This visible part spinning around the mysterious object is only what you can observe. This is termed as the accretion disk. There is a special moment of time when you can observe the accretion disk, meaning it is not visible every time you look at the black hole. And this instant of time is when it swallows a star. Fact number 7. They all come in different sizes. Astronomers state that they can range from even micro black holes with masses as low as 22 micrograms to supermassive black holes with masses like 66 billion times that of our Sun. Fact number 6. They fire off powerful jets of plasma. Sometimes a black hole tries to eat too much matter at once, and it produces some blowback. The black hole shoots off huge plasma streams called relativistic jets, which can reach hundred thousands of light years in length. Fact number 5. They make quasars the brightest objects in the universe. Quasars are the most powerful and luminous objects in the known universe. It generates all that power by feeding off the energy of a supermassive black hole found in the center of every quasar. Fact number 4. A black hole isn't a hole at all. Yes, a black hole is an object just like any other in space, except that it is infinitely dense. This gives it such a high gravitational field that nothing, not even light, can escape. Fact number 3. A black hole slowly gives up what it has devoured. Yes, Stephen Hawking in the year 1974 stated that black holes radiate some of what they ate. This is the Hawking radiation theory. But it is a very slow process. For even a small black hole of a mass equivalent to one solar mass, it takes about 10 to the 69 years to evaporate. That's what you get when you put 69 zeros after 1. This, of course, is beyond our comprehension. Fact number 2. They are powerful enough to alter time itself. The gravity well of a black hole is so intense that time itself moves slower relative to an outside observer the nearer you get to the event horizon. Fact number 1. It collapses the laws of physics. Inside a black hole, for all intents and purposes, space and time no longer exist. Zero volume, infinite density. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down your opinions and please subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. And until next time, thanks for watching.